Hey guys, welcome to the first game development part about my card game. Yeah, boys and girls. And this game or this demo or alpha, pre-early alpha access demo, whatever, was actually a school project. And so it has already some features and some cards, and you actually can play it. So I will show it to you right now. This game was made in Unity, as you can see, and it was actually the second game in Unity which I began making. So yeah, and as you see, my first language isn't English, so I hope you forgive me for my bad English. But yeah, I'm from Switzerland, at the informatic middle school, so I'm learning programming in C#, Java, and all the stuff. Yeah, here you can change the language. My first language is actually Swiss German, or just German for you. And yes, I will set the key strength to 100 because yeah, I'm a badass. I'm a hardcore player. Yes, the game is called The Ignorant 5, even though the name is just a name. The name hasn't to do anything with the game at all at the moment. So yeah, here are we in game, and we have some cards, and we have resources, and this is the enemy health and the enemy house or base. This is their own health and their own house. And yes, this on the top of every card are the costs for the card, and at the bottom are the health, the strength, and the effect. In the middle is the name of the card, and then the sprite is the sprite. And as you see, there are lots of different cards, or actually not that many different cards. There are only 10 or 11, so yeah, not that much. Many. Yeah. At the moment we have 2 population, 1 gold, 2 stone, 3 wood, and we gain 2 population per turn, which is at the start of every game. So yeah, and we can do absolutely. We could play him, even though or him, but this isn't worth it. So yeah, the enemy has is a Kai, or no, Kai AE RE, and artificial intelligence. Yeah, whatever. I don't. So yeah, artificial intelligence. Yeah. So he decides by his own what to do, and he isn't actually not that intelligent, but he can do something, and he I think Herbert would be the best choice. Yeah, totally. And the enemy has 3 faces, and not faces, face, like, yeah, I mean, he has a card phase in which he plays cards. Then he has an effect phase in which he in which he uses the effects of every card, like this, pay 1 gold, or like this. These effects are only usable on the playboard. Yeah, and then he has an attack phase in which he decides which card of his damages which card of mine. I think I will get some gold. Gold is good. Then I will damage him to the face, or in the face. Yeah, chromatic, my favorite note. So yeah, I have some ideas for the project after all, because at the moment it's very like Heartstone, or like a easy version of Heartstone. I mean, it's not that complex or anything like that. I have an idea, or a friend sent me something which is like I think I've playing and then I can damage him more. And it's like a card tile sized game. Card tile based game. Yeah, card tile based game. So it's like you can play a card, then there's like tiles, so like a chess tiles. You can place cards, then you can move the cards on the field. Then when you are on the top of the field, then you can attack the enemy, and when your card encounters another card from the enemy, then you can fight, as an example. I know this is totally different from what this is at the moment, but it's actually something new. I never saw I saw something like this, but it's still cool, and I want to make it without luck, or without much luck things. Yeah, the enemy isn't that good. I mean, he can. His AE is based on things like resources, so he checks what he needs on the field, on his deck, in his deck, and in his hands. And he will check the board. He will check. Yeah. Oh wait, I need stone. Okay. So I will. Yeah, I don't know if that was good. Yeah, so yeah. Oh no, not the commercial wind cure. Yeah, that is something which I definitely. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's the actual word for Handelswagen, but I hope Google Translate has gotten me the right answer. Yeah, I don't think so, but yeah. Yes, Hans is badass. Herbert, I mean, yeah. If you have some ideas, or some card ideas, or some mechanics ideas, or anything like this, then you can write it down in the comments. Then I will check them and probably implement them when they are good. Yeah, I think you're in this game. Yeah, the enemy, which is bad as fuck, can do anything again. My very good mind. I'm so intelligent. Yeah. Yeah. No. Okay. Yeah. So, as you see in this game, you have to be very tactical, and I will implement no luck or not much luck, because I think because I want to make a game which is strategic, holy shit.
Strategically.
Exactly. Yes, a strategically game. Yeah, I'm not good at speaking at all. Yeah. Wait, oh. Ho ho ho. I think bam bam. Oh wait. That, oh fuck, that big, whatever. Oh wait. Oh yes. My boy's coming. Okay. I think I won. Yeah, I won. Yeah. I definitely won. Yeah, as you see, there aren't that much different cards at the moment, and the placements are a bit off. The problem is just fucking canvas and stuff like that in Unity. I don't know. It's just fucking off if I build them in the Unity scene manager. Everything's alright, yeah. But then, bam! We are shitty. So yeah, but I would say yeah, that's a finished game, yeah. You see. No, not really. If you have some improvements and mechanics and color ideas and stuff like that, you can post them. Yeah. So that game, yeah, that doesn't work anymore. Yeah, and then this, which I said at the beginning, not everything here, but at least the tile-sized gameplay I think is very interesting, because then you can pay cards, then they have a Bewegung, a movement per turn, which you can choose where they go on this tile size map. Then if they are at the end, then they probably can attack the enemy, or when they encounter an enemy, a monster on the field, then they can kill or attack them. And yes, I think that will be very good. And yes, that isn't the friend of mine sent me this, Jonas. Egal. Yeah. Yeah, and then I would say, yeah, that was it with the first part. I will develop it further. You can send me some ideas or some ideas or some criticism or some programming things or anything like this. I can write it down. You can like the video if you liked it, and if you're not, if you don't, then yeah, if you subscribe to my channel, then you can watch all my videos, which at the moment are none besides this, but yeah, you can watch my channel, yeah, in the future. Yeah, cool bro, cool story bro, and yeah, then I will say goodbye, Kakai, and you're free to go now. The class is over.